Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great day of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about Cisco, which surged after hours after reporting earnings. Before I do so, let's take a look at the performance. Cisco, ticker symbol CSCO, today up 0.81%. After hours, up 3.92% after reporting earnings. Past week, up 4.64%. Past month, up 14.58%. Past 3 months, up 5.47%. Past year, up 20.27%. And past 5 years, up 118.02%. Scroll down a bit to look at the statistics. So current price is $49.36. 52-week low is $40.19. 52-week high is $49.47. So it's definitely on the higher end of the spectrum in terms of 52-week range. Market capitalization is $216.32 billion. PE ratio is 131.92, and dividend yield is 2.91%. So as I mentioned, Cisco reported earnings after market close today. Let's take a look at the earnings. So Cisco beat by 1 cent and beat on revenue. Q2 non-GAAP earnings per share of 73 cents, beat by 1 cent. GAAP earnings per share of 63 cents, missed by 2 cents. Revenue of $12.45 billion, up 4.7% year over year, beat by $30 million. And then Cisco also raised its dividend by 6%. So they declared 35 cents per share quarterly dividend, up 6.1% from prior dividend of 33 cents. Forward yield of 2.95%. So in addition to the quarterly beat, it's also announced a $15 billion repurchase authorization. So as I mentioned, Cisco gained 2.4% on Q2 beats with 5% year over year revenue growth. And Q3 guidance has upside revenue growth of 4% to 6%, or about $12.91 billion to $13.2 billion, and inline earnings per share from 76 cents to 78 cents. And Cisco board approved a $15 billion increase to the existing program, bringing the total up to $24 billion. Revenue breakdown, products was $9.27 billion, and services $3.17 billion. Take a look at the analyst ratings. So 12 analysts give Cisco a buy rating in the next 3 months. 5 analysts give it a hold rating, and 0 analysts give a sell rating, with an overall rating of moderate buy from the 17 analysts. Taking a look at the price target, Cisco's average price target is $53 per share, with the 11.58% upside relative to current price of $47.50. On the low end, $44 per share, and on the high end, $60 per share in terms of price target. And this is in the next 12 months. That's all for this video. What are your thoughts on Cisco? Comment down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.